Module, I was going to show you guys how to construct nominal feature data or nominal data on top of the existing CAD file that you've pulled in for a measurement session. I've got a spine here, which is a part for a chair, a mirror chair. And what I've got is some criteria down in the bottom on one of the, or both of these attachments here. What I've got is some circle content that's a through hole. I'll zoom in just a little bit more on this side here and hit the R key to regenerate that view. I'll just do some dynamic rotate here and bring this part around just a little bit so you can see that through hole. Alright, so I've got criteria on the position of this hole. Well, before I measure it, I want to make sure that I've got that in my nominal data. So I will zoom in just a little bit more on there and escape to get out of the camera here, out of the dynamic rotate. So this circle, it looks like that's the bottom of the chamfer on this boss, and that's where that bolt is actually gonna penetrate through when I attach this part to the next part that it gets attached to. So what I'll do is I want to make a nominal circle on the IGES file here. So I'm going to go under the Construct menu, Circle, and way at the bottom, Nominal. In fact, I'm going to zoom in even one more time. The closer you can get to that, the more accurate that your pokes are going to be. So what I'm going to do is I'll click in this location here as if I was going to measure this. I'll click on there. Got a few things there that's choosing. There's a body, there's a body, there's a body. I like just that single line body there, so I'll highlight that. Now I'll come over to this side here. Pick up on that same body. And then I'll come on to the opposite arc down in through here. Click on that. Finds a couple things there. There's a body. There's one. Here's one that doesn't show up, but it could be just that single line entity. I'll choose on this body here and see what it gives me. Now there's the center line that's being calculated from the 3 pokes that I just gave this IGES file. So I will right mouse key and say OK. And I will call that the attach hole left and say OK to that. So you can kind of see that it got a little bit thicker on that yellow. It's laying my nominal over my yellow IGES file here. So let me go to Review Features and just make sure. So the nominal attach hole left, I'll hit the View, and you can see that it is pretty much the same as what it saw in that wireframe IGES file too. So I will right mouse key and say that is OK. Now let me zoom out just a little bit and do a straight down view on that. And then take one more look at it. From Review Features, let's go View. All right, right there is where it starts that attachment. My assumption is that this circle here, the inner circle, is because of the draft on this plastic part. So this is the circle that I want to measure to and test its true position to. So I've got a pretty good nominal in there right now. And that was done from constructing a circle that's a nominal.